Hello, I'm Shraddha Peter. You are 13 CS 149. The program which I'm going to explain is strings and regular expression, and my topic is customer feedback. For this, I've created an object program for the class. So it has login details, feedback, and whatever feedback and login is printed in tabular form. So for that, I've did in a switch case functions. I've used a.log for logging in, a.feedback for giving feedback, a.view for viewing the details. This I've used in do while, so it repeats as many times the user wants. Now I'll explain the login. So when the user have to enter the login ID and the password, he again enter the confirm password. Depending upon the confirm password, using regular expression, just check whether it is both equal. If it is both equal, then it asks for other details, otherwise it shows incorrect password. So you need, after that you need to enter the first name, second name, phone number and email ID. After that, if you want to give the feedback, again you have to enter the login ID and password. It checks whether both are equal using compare to function, and after that it prints a function like, well, if your password and ID is same, then it prints a message welcome and the username. If I have given my first name as Shraddha, it prints welcome Shraddha, that too in uppercase. Then I've used a regular expression here. You have to enter the feedback. Then I've used a regular expression where in feedback it checks a pattern. This pattern occurrence, how many times and where the position has been occurring. That means if in your feedback, if you are giving more than one time, when more than one words repeat, it has been printed. Now after that, I've given SB. SB is a string builder which I've used here. I've used two string builder, SB and SB1. SB gives the details and SB gives thanking you and SB contact details. Here I've used SB. See, SB appending the F name. That means it gives thank you Shraddha. Then view. When you want to view, you again have to enter your login ID, password, then checks compared to using check, and it is the details whatever you have entered is being displayed in a tabular format. The customer name, mobile number and the feedback. Name I've padded. That means after name, after the word name, my name comes within the 10 being padded. That what happens here. Then the email ID and mobile has been append format. That contact details I've used appended format where mobile number is in integer format and email ID is in string. Both are been appended. Then I've used a pattern to replace. See, after my feedback, I've print all the feedback details in, like, first letter will be in caps lock. That's why two title case where my feedback will be there and my each first letter will be in caps lock, and that feedback there may be not sufficient space, so if there is no space it's not easy to read. So using regular expression I've given sufficient spacing and I've replaced thank by thanking you in the string builder. Now I'll run it. Login, first one, login ID is 12, password is QW, confirm password. So it checks using regular expression is correct. So my name Shraddha, last name Peter, phone number 123 something, email ID Shraddha something. Do you want to continue? Yes. 2. Again you have to enter the login ID 12, a password. See, that too in uppercase my name has come. Now my feedback is what product, something like that. Do you want to continue? Yes. See, my name has been come, thanking you. My name has, do you want to continue? Yes. 3, login ID 12. See, my details have been printed. This is what my program is. Tabular format printed.